All right, everybody, this is Pool's Adventures, Chester Pool Lewis Pool fishing down here at Calico Rock again. I'm gonna try to get y'all some footage this morning, and maybe we can get some browns and some rainbows. So stay tuned. Lose him. No. Rainbow. Good rainbow. There's a stalker. Good, another good rainbow. Yeah, he'll probably go turn around here. Yeah, good rainbow. Log right there, Lewis, we gotta remember. Another decent rainbow. Still a good rainbow. Swiping at it, wasn't he? Turn this one. There we go. All right, guys. Upside down rainbow. Yeah, good brown. It's all right. They play out. Bring back up. There's your hook. Get your hook. Heck yeah. Good brown.
Real good brown. You ready?
Let me get my camera out.
Probably 22, don't you think?
Well, I ain't got nothing measuring with except that cooler. You got one over there? All right. Looks like they washed off on the other side. Let's measure it. 21. Here you go.
Got a hook down there. I need to get that out. I bet that's my hook.
Probably is. Ready? All right.
Get that hook out.
Good. Still another pretty good sized rainbow.
Yeah, he's bigger than I thought he was.
All right, folks, we just got doubles here. Lewis got him rainbow, I got rainbow. There goes mine.
Oh, it's about to be gone.
It's gone. Another good rainbow. Yeah. Alright, guys, Lewis going up getting the boat. That wraps it up for our morning fishing. We may try to come back out this evening to do. I'll put it on here and put it with this video. So for right now, it's Pool's Adventures. Signing out, Chester Pool Fishing. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos.